I just bought this wrecked street bike for only $700. Let's see if we can rebuild it. One of the best things about buying something on Facebook Marketplace is you get to deal with other people's projects. This is a 2005 Kawasaki ZR 750, and I got some crazy plans for this bike. However, let me tell you what happened to this thing. The guy replaced the rear brake pads, locked up the rear wheel, high-sided it, and dumped it off the edge of the road. Did I forget to mention that there's also a giant hole in the tank where this bad boy went straight in? Well, let's go ahead and figure out if we can get it running again. Let's face it, this thing looks like crap. Unfortunately, they don't make a tank for this bike, and the one I found was $1,500 out of Denmark. So, we're left with no option but to attempt to repair this bike.
Get the fuck out of my way, then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense.
I patched all the holes by welding metal pieces over them, and then I put epoxy over it. Now it's... Let's see if this bike runs. This bike hasn't run in like 3 years. Let's prime the system a few times and see if she starts. Oh, she's gonna run. Okay. Well, the only thing left to do is take her for a test drive. Let's get on the bike. Only 13,000 miles. That's a good sign. I know what you're thinking. She's stunning. I know. I've decided to enlist an old friend of mine, Bondo, to fix the rest of this bike.
I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could...
I should have taped off the tires, but I definitely didn't. You guys want to see the bike? I'll show it to you if you want to see it. Alrighty.
Tasteful blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up, got too little time on the river.
Well, the bike's done, but the paint looks like crap, the wheels look like crap, and it still rides like crap after hours and hours of work. Guess we've got no other choice. What does that mean?
You'll see. My car's on fire.
Well, never thought I'd say this, but I think I have too many bikes. Yeah, I'm really scratching my head what to do with this one. Well, painting the wheels turned out so bad that, honestly, I think there's only one right thing to do.